Hi, second graders. Miss Diorio from Citizenship Academy here with lesson 10. This is going to be a really good review for us, so I think you're going to like this. Make sure you have something to write with, and I'm going to use my big place value chart today. We're going to be practicing with the both image of the place value chart, the drawing, and the algorithm today. So you may want to use your big place value chart, or you might want to draw little ones on your paper. Totally up to you, whatever makes more sense in your brain. If you want to use the big one, go grab that. Go grab something to write with. We'll get started. Okay, so today, like I just said, we're going to use our math drawings of our place value charts and the algorithm to better understand how we're adding and how the addition algorithm works. Okay? All right, let's start off with our application problem. So again, this is a two-step problem. We're going to do one step at a time, and I'll walk you through it, but remember, we're using the information for 2 steps. All right, let's read it. It says Benji has 36 crayons. Anna has 12 fewer crayons than Benji. How many crayons does Anna have? Before you start, I want you to talk about what the word fewer means. Does that mean we're going to add or subtract, and why? Good. Fewer means less, so we're going to take away. So Benji has 36 crayons, Anna has 12 fewer. I want you to pause and solve using whatever strategy works best for you. Okay, come back when you're done. Ready? Okay. So I'm going to start with the drawing because that helps my brain work. Make sense of the problem. So 36 crayons, Benji has 36 crayons. I'm just going to use a B because that's easier instead of writing the whole name. Now, Anna has 12 fewer. So I have the fewer here, and then this question mark is how many Anna has. Okay, so I know I'm subtracting because she has less than Benji. So 36 minus 12. Another way to think of that, which works well for my brain, is thinking about it like an addition problem. 12 plus what is going to get me to 36? I'm not sure. So I'm going to solve it, and I get to 24. So how many crayons does Anna have? 24. Beautiful. Thumbs up if you got it. Good job. If you used a different strategy, please do. All of our brains work differently. Whatever way you understand the math is totally fine with me, as long as you get to 24. All right, second part. How many crayons do they have all together? So Benji has 36 crayons. Anna had how many crayons? 24. Good. So how many crayons do they have all together? If we're wanting to find all together, if we're wanting to find a total, are we adding or subtracting? Adding. Good. Go ahead and solve whatever way works best for your brain. 36 plus 24. Pause. Come back when you're done. Got it? Okay, so I'm going to solve by adding like terms. So my 10s, I see 30 and 20, 3 10s and 2 10s. So I'm going to add that, and I'm going to get 50. And then my 1s, I see a 6 and a 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So now I can add my 50 plus my 10, and I get 60. They have 60 crayons altogether. How'd you do? Good. All right. You can put your paper to the side. We're going to do some fluency practice, okay? This we can just talk back and forth. Okay. 42 plus 19. Don't solve it. Where can I get one more to make 19 into 20? Can I just grab one from thin air and put it into the problem? No, right? Where can I get one more to make 19 into 20? Good, I can get it from that 42. So I can take 1 from 42 and give it to the 19. So when that happens, what is our new number sentence? I'm taking 1 from 42, I'll make the number one for you, and giving it to 19. So we have 20 plus what's left over here? 41. Good, because we took 1 away. 20 plus 41 is our new number sentence, and that's easier to add, and that gives us 61. Good. All right, let's try and do this one in our heads. We have 37 plus 19. Where can I get that one more to make 19 into 20? Where am I getting that from? What number? 37. Good. Take 1 from 37, give it to 19. Now 19 is now 20. What is our new number sentence? Good. 36 plus 20 gives us 56. I'll draw it out for you one more time. We have 37 plus 19. We want to get this 19 to 20, so we take 1 out. What's our other part in our number bond? Perfect. 36. So we have 20 plus 36 equals, it's hard for me to write upside down, 56. Ta-da! All right, do it again. 29 plus 23. Which number is closer to its next 10? 29 or 23? Good, 29. So we want to get 29 to 30. Where are we going to get that 1 from? The 23. Beautiful. Now tell me that new number sentence. Mm-hmm. 30 plus 22 equals 52. No matter the order, so it doesn't matter if the number closer to 10 is here or here, you can still do it. You can take 1 from either number. All right, let's do another one. 38 plus 19. Which one is closer to its next 10? Not which one is bigger, which one is closer to its next 10? The 19, right? So where are we going to get that 1 from to make 19 into 20? Yeah, from 38. Good. All right, tell me that new number sentence. Good. 37 plus 20 is 57. Awesome. Let's do another one. 32 plus 19. Where am I going to get the 1 from to get 19 to 20? From the 32. Good. Now give me the new number sentence. 31 plus 20 equals 51. Great job. All right, a little bit trickier now. 24 plus 17. Which number is closer to its next 10? Again, not which one is bigger, which number is closer to its next 10? 17, good. We need 3 more to get 17 to its 20. See that? So what's the other part in our number bond going to be? Very good. 21. So we have 21 plus 20 equals 41. Good. I'm going to skip that one so we can get to our work for today. So like I said at the beginning, we're going to be comparing the algorithm when we do the vertical method and add that way to our place value chart. So what I want you to do is pause the video, and I want you on your paper to show me the vertical way of this problem, so 126 plus 160. And then on the other side, just like it is on the screen, I want you to show me how you would draw that in your place value chart. So your paper is going to look like this. You have the drawing here, the algorithm here. So go ahead and pause and solve both of these ways. Okay? Vertical way and drawing. So pause and solve now. Come back when you're done. Solve it both ways? Okay, so I'm going to do them both at the same time to kind of show you. So in our ones place, we only have 6 ones. So we're not adding anything. We're not moving anything around. We only have 6 ones. So I can just easy peasy put that in my vertical method. Now in the tens place, I have 2 tens and 6 tens. 2 tens plus 6 tens is 8 tens. So I can put the 8 there, and I put my 8 in my vertical method. And then I have 100 and 100. 100 plus 100, 200. I can put that in the vertical way. Do you see how the picture matches up with the vertical way? We're not just putting random numbers. We're not just mixing things around just for the fun of it. The picture matches up with the vertical way. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, same thing here. I want you to set up your paper with the vertical way on one side and then a place value chart for the drawing way on the other. So pause the video, set up both the vertical way and the drawing way, and then solve it both ways at the same time so you can see how they work together. So pause and do that now, and then we'll go over it. Ready? Okay, so we're going to add our ones first. We have 6 ones plus 7 ones. Now when that happens, we have over 10, right? So we can make that circle. Oh, my circle's a little messed up, but you got it. My circle around the 10 and move 1 over. Now, how many did you have left when you circled? 3, right? So we still have 3 ones. Good. Now we move that 10 over. So we're adding 2 10s plus 6 10s plus that 1 extra 10. And you can see on our vertical way, we put that 1 in that 10s column because now we have an extra 10. So 2 10s plus 6 10s plus 1, 9 10s, beautiful. And then we're adding 3 hundreds plus 100 gets us 4 hundreds, okay? So when we regroup, when we move those 10s ones over to our 10th place, we did that with the picture. We also did it in the vertical way and showed that 1 there so that we knew we moved that 10 over. Got it? Good. All right, I'm going to skip this one because I want you to get into your problem set for today. When you do your problem set, I want you to practice doing it both the vertical way and with the drawing way so that you understand how the bundling works, how we bundle here and move it and it moves here, so that all makes sense to you and so you can check your answer. Because you might make a mistake here or you might make a mistake here, and if you do it both ways at the same time, then you're checking your answer and you're checking your work as you go. So for each of these problems, I want you to try them using both methods so you can see how they relate. Okay? They're all addition today. You got this, and I'll see you tomorrow.